The distance that separates you is hurting you both deeply, but it is this very distance that will prepare your love to rebirth even stronger than ever. My dearest soul, I see the ache in your heart, the quiet tears that fall when no one is watching. This distance, this space between you and the one who occupies your thoughts, feels like a chasm, a silent torment. You question its purpose, its cruelty, wondering if the thread that connects you has frayed beyond repair. But hear this truth whispered from the highest realms. This separation is not an ending, but a sacred pause, a divine orchestration. It is a crucible forged in the fires of destiny, designed to refine not just your spirit, but his as well. Every moment of longing, every silent prayer, is a brushstroke on the canvas of your shared future. The universe is not punishing you, it is preparing you both for a love so profound, so resilient, it could only emerge from this sacred solitude. This pain you carry is a prelude, a necessary deepening before the grand symphony of your reunion begins. Trust in the unseen hands that guide this journey, for they are weaving a tapestry of unparalleled beauty. The Lord will fight for you, you need only to be still. Exodus 14:14, even in the quietest moments when the world feels hushed and empty, the angels are speaking to you. Their messages are carried on the softest breeze, in the fleeting glimpse of a feather, and in the synchronicity of numbers that catch your eye. They want you to know that this stillness is not abandonment, but rather fertile ground where miracles are being sown. Your spirit is being tended to, nurtured, and prepared for a blossoming unlike any you've known. The angels say that the energy between you and him is not dormant. It is shifting, evolving, becoming something far more potent. This time apart is allowing both of your souls to shed old layers, releasing what no longer serves the highest good of your connection. There is a gentle hum in the ethers, a celestial song that assures you of the divine work unfolding. This is a period of profound spiritual recalibration, a necessary alignment before your paths converge with renewed purpose. This journey of separation, though difficult, holds a profound gift. It is a mirror held up to your very soul. It invites you to gaze inward, to rediscover the magnificent woman you are, independent of another's reflection. What forgotten dreams stir within you? What passions have been set aside? Heaven whispers that this is your time to reclaim your essence, to tend to the garden of your own heart. The space created by his absence is not a void, but an invitation to fill yourself with self-love, with purpose, and with the radiant light that is uniquely yours. You are being called to deepen your connection to your inner wisdom, to trust the intuitive knowing that resides within. This period is not about waiting for him. It is about becoming the most vibrant, whole, and authentic version of yourself. Your own light, once dimmed by external seeking, is now being amplified from within, shining brighter than ever before. The silence can sometimes feel deafening, bringing echoes from the past. Old wounds, long buried, may resurface now, demanding your gentle attention. Fears you thought you had conquered and insecurities you believed were resolved may rise like mist from a forgotten valley. This is not a regression, my love, but a sacred opportunity for deeper healing. The universe is lovingly guiding you to confront these shadows, not to be consumed by them, but to finally release their hold. There is profound compassion in this process, a divine mother's embrace as you tend to these tender places within. Each tear shed is a cleansing rain, washing away the residue of past hurts, making space for new growth. This journey is stripping away all that is not truly you, revealing the resilient, powerful spirit that has always resided beneath the surface. In the heart of this solitude, a powerful transformation is taking place within you. You are discovering a strength, a resilience, and a profound sense of self-sufficiency you may not have known you possessed. This is the sacred art of becoming your own sanctuary, finding solace and completion not in another, but within the boundless depths of your own being. Your spirit is learning to lean into its own wisdom, to trust its own guidance, and to find its own rhythm. The quiet moments are not empty. They are rich with self-discovery, with the blossoming of your unique gifts. Heaven is showing you that you are whole, complete, and utterly magnificent on your own. This radiant wholeness is not a preparation for a lesser love, but for a connection that honors your entirety, partnership built on two fully realized souls. Just as you are navigating your own profound journey, so is he. His silence is not a sign of indifference, but often an indication of deep internal work, a struggle with his own shadows and fears. The angels say that the universe is preparing him, just as it prepares you, for a love that transcends the superficial. He is being called to confront his past, to heal his wounds, and to shed the armor he has worn for so long. This is a necessary process for him to become the man who can truly meet your depth, who can hold the sacred space that you both deserve. His heart is being reshaped, not by your demands, but by the divine hand that orchestrates all things. Trust that even in his quiet moments, there is a profound transformation unfolding, a clearing of the path for a love he can finally embrace with his entire being. There is an invisible thread, woven into the very fabric of the cosmos, that binds your soul to his. No distance, no time, no earthly obstacle can sever this sacred connection. It is a bond forged in destiny, a recognition that transcends the physical realm. The universe is constantly aligning circumstances, subtly guiding your paths back toward each other, even when it feels like you are drifting apart. Heaven whispers that this separation is merely a temporary divergence, allowing each of you to gather the necessary wisdom and strength for your ultimate reunion. Your souls recognize the blueprint, the divine plan that holds your story. This is not a love that can be broken. It is a love that is being fortified, refined, and prepared for an unbreakable union. Hold on to this truth, for it is the anchor in the shifting tides. Close your eyes, my love, and picture the future that lies ahead. Imagine a love that is reborn, not just rekindled, but transformed into something even more exquisite than you could have envisioned. This is a love grounded in the wisdom gained from solitude, the strength forged through healing, and the unwavering faith that has seen you through the quiet times. Your hearts, now open and expanded, are ready to embrace each other in a way that was not possible before. This is the promise of renewal, a sacred covenant whispered by the stars. The lessons learned, the empathy deepened, the self-love nurtured, all come together to create a foundation for a connection that is resilient, authentic, and profoundly joyful. This is the dawn following the longest night, a testament to the enduring power of divine love. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the wilderness and streams in the wasteland. Isaiah 43:19. You are not the same woman who started this journey, my beautiful soul. Your spirit has been refined, your heart has expanded, your inner landscape has transformed. You carry a new grace, a quiet power that emanates from your very core. This is the essence of your becoming, the magnificent unfolding of your true self. You are now ready to receive a love that reflects the depth you have cultivated within, a partnership that honors your wholeness and celebrates your unique light. Your essence, now vibrant and authentic, is calling forth your highest good, attracting everything that is meant for your joy and fulfillment. There is a profound sense of readiness within you, a serene confidence that recognizes its worth and trusts the journey ahead. Embrace this new version of yourself, for she is the key to unlocking the next chapter of your divine story. The time for questioning is giving way to a deep, abiding trust. This is the final surrender, the letting go into the arms of divine timing, knowing that the perfect moment is always orchestrated with precision. The veil between what is and what is to come is thinning, dissolving with each breath of faith you take. Your souls, now fully prepared, recognize the sacred unfolding, the imminent convergence of your paths. This love, destined to bloom, is now ready to unfurl its petals in the light of your shared truth. There is a profound peace settling within your heart, a quiet knowing that all is well, and all is as it should be. The journey through distance has served its purpose, transforming both of you into vessels capable of holding a love that is truly eternal. Receive this truth, for it is the final blessing on your path. And now these three remain: faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love.